the rain ruined filming. It literally, the sky opened up in a matter of 5 seconds to a heavy downpour. It's even flooding. Bust out this zoom.
It's kind of nice though.
Yeah. Okay, Pat, say hi to my YouTube friends. Did you film the elevator?
Okay, hello.
We hear the queuer. I'm going to find him. She's hot. But yeah, it's really coming down. Thought I'd make another cool video. Fuck it, I'm going in. It's raining too hard. I just realized that this might make me cute. Watch your heads. Coming in. Alright. Yep, it's not me. We checked all the walkies. Somebody's queuing, which means the water got in someone's walkie and it's causing static, not allowing us to communicate with each other. And the person who is queuing can't tell they're queuing because they don't hear anything at all. So somewhere there's an asshole who doesn't know that he's holding us up. And we're trying to find him by asking everybody if they can hear the static in their walkie. The more you know.